How to download Canva for PC and laptop. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Canva for your PC or laptop. If you open your web browser and go to canva.com, you will see an interface like this. It is very easy to edit within the website. However, if you want to download the app on your desktop, then you can do this by following these steps. Firstly, open a new tab on your web browser. On the new tab, go to the search bar on the top and search for Canva download. After that, search for it, and on the result page, you will see various links like this. There are different links for Play Store, Windows and Mac OS. Simply go to the first link and click on it. Now select the option Download Canva for Windows. As you can see here, it is available for Mac OS, iOS and Android. Once you click on download, go to the download tab and you can check your downloads. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.